Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an oracle deck by Denise Linn called the Time Traveler's Oracle. So let's take a look at this. What does it say on the back? I've got my glasses on this time. A mystical adventure through space and time beckons you. Each journey through the deck can activate secret messages from the depths of your soul. Okay, so we've got a soulful deck. And from the universe. This sacred pilgrimage will transport you to the heart of the Creator and beyond to see the universe and yourself with new meaning. Deepen your connection to the mysterious, natural forces around you and find the long-sought answers to your most heartfelt question. That's lovely, isn't it? I hadn't really had a good look at it, I must admit, before I started filming. So, travel through time to awaken your inner oracle. Anything that leads to self-awareness, I must admit, is an absolute bonus for me because I do enjoy these decks. And the way to use this is to literally pull a card every day. Right, okay, so this is the book. And at the beginning you've got, so also by Denise. What else has she done then? Let's have a look. She's done quite a few books there, hasn't she? Quite a few decks, sorry. And books. There you go. They're all books, actually. And here's the Oracle cards. The Sacred Forest Oracle is a very popular deck. Okay, so she's got... Oh, so she's a busy lady. Okay. Right, and then there are each of the cards. So you've got the cards there and then the correct number. She A to Z, yeah, they're all in alphabetical order, which was really helpful when you're using an oracle deck. Because you need to use the book, you see, so it makes it much easier to be able to flip to the right place. So the deck explains, she'll explain what, you know, the whole purpose and what inspired her. Interpreting the cards, storing them, and how to do a daily spiritual insight, one card reading. So you've got various spreads there on the Tree of Life. Very good. 4 directions. And then there's lots of information here. So it's a working deck. This is a really a good self-awareness deck. So then you've got each of the cards. No illustrations, but you don't need them because you've got the card. And there are the cards. So that's the book, the book that goes with it. And let's have a look at these cards. So you've got the cosmos on the back, the universe. There we go. And you have, these are stunning, aren't they? So this is the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. So these are places, and then you pick it and consult it. Vesuvius. So you have the energy of the card and then a moment in time that is perfectly relating to that. So you can see here 7, communication. Well, the oracle at Delphi would have communicated from spirit from beyond in Greece. And then we have courage, Vikings in the New World. So these are moments in time. The Venice Renaissance in Italy is about creativity. Gosh. Wow. Very clever. Expansion. Well, it's Jupiter, isn't it? The Roaring Twenties in Paris. Exuberance. So flexibility. We've got here a prehistoric bamboo forest, Southeast Asia. Yeah, you'd need to be certainly flexible to be able to deal with that environment, wouldn't you? The River Nile, the flow. I have a dream speech. yeah, important moments in time or locations. So you've got here grounded, the Uluru in Australia. So it used to be called something else, didn't it? I can't remember what it's called now. I'm sure somebody will tell me if they know. Was it the red? No, it's escaped me. Growth, the Amazon rainforest, and long may she continue to grow. Happiness. These are gorgeous, aren't they? Now, some people said to me, or somebody said to me recently about shuffling such big cards. How do you shuffle oracle cards? We don't really need to be honest. Once you've actually, leadership for the ancient Egyptians, once you've actually broken the cards in for the first time, what was that, light, the angelic realm, once you've broken them in the first time and they're all in the incorrect order, they're not all in alphabetical order, then you can just literally place them upside or just pick a card, just cut the pack in half and then use the one at the bottom. I'll show you in a minute what I mean. St. Francis of Assisi for peace. And Machu Picchu for planning. Very apt. What have we got here? Playfulness, Woodstock, New York. Yeah, the dinosaurs in the Jurassic period for power. So you feel like you're in a time machine, don't you? And you're just snapping through at this appropriate times to get the true essence of what purification means at the Ganges River. So you'll see that. Stability, a baobab tree. In Africa. I've seen one of these. Very odd looking they are actually up close, but they are very special to them. And they're huge. A Zen monastery. Strength. Joan of Arc. Oh, Atlantis for transcending. Oh, it's almost quite sad to come to the end of that. So it's a very reflective deck. You see? What was that again? Sorry, I went too quickly. The Sun for vitality. So let's imagine you have this deck, and you will have sorted it into a non-alphabetical order. So it's all mixed up nicely. And you can just literally say, right, can you please give me, for example, can I have a card for today, please? And you just literally go, what's my card for today? And it's exuberance. So then you go, right, okay, that's exuberance. You grab the little book. After some time, you will know what this means. We see D, E, F, exuberance. I can't remember the last time I've had this much fun. You and I have just travelled to the 1920s to gavotte with flappers in Paris. It's a time known as the Roaring Twenties, and the energy is exuberant. So she basically explains the scene. The time traveller's message: children, young plants and animals are exuberant. You carry that same energy within you. When you pull this card, it can mean that all the seeds that you've planted in your life are beginning to grow. Get ready for rapid growth and the reaping of rewards. And you can see the rest of that. So that's how you use it. And you can go, right, okay, can I have a card? Give me a card for the week, please. And you just literally go, okay, oh, it's exuberance again. A card for the day. There you go. And that's how you do it. Or you pick one from the top, or you can shuffle them. I really like this deck. It's lovely. So that is let me know what you think in the comments below. The Time Traveller's Oracle by Denise Linn. I hope you've enjoyed that, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.